There is a pandemic out there. This wave of new teaching products that are negatively impacting your abilities rather than helping you. This idea that you need to see yourself as a game character and level up. You have people developing actual games that are supposed to teach you computer science, solve in-game problems and level up your character. Like, let's create a gameplay that gets you hooked but also teaches you how compilers work. So what's next? A slot machine that teaches you binary trees? We live in this era of distraction, where people will go so far and create teaching products that are based on distraction. Nobody can focus longer than 7 seconds. So instead of tackling the problem, the next logical move for them is to exploit this generation. Half of the people can't even watch this video to the end. Maybe if I put something like this on the screen, you will be able to focus for once. Let me be real with you. There is no easy way. There is no I'm gonna imagine myself as a game character. There is no Fortnite, Minecraft-based computer science course that works. Your lack of commitment is an insult for the people believing in you. Nothing screams more mediocrity than someone trying to find the easiest, least path of resistance to learn something. It's all an illusion, it's all fake. You want advice? Here's some real advice for you. Spend some time coding or reading software engineering classics instead of constantly seeking shortcuts, and you will be at least twice as productive. Stop looking for the easy way, because it doesn't exist.